The cosmological argument suggests that God's existence can be inferred by looking at known facts about the universe and its functioning. The Kalam Cosmological Argument, a variation of this, was popularized by William Lane Craig and focuses on the origin of the universe and its logical cause. At its core, the argument can be summarized as, everything that begins to exist has a cause. The universe began to exist. Therefore, the universe has a cause. If both of the first 2 points are true, the third logically follows. Point number 1 seems self-evident. Everything we observe that comes into being has a cause. While we might not always fully understand the cause, there's no evidence to suggest things simply happen without one. Point number 2 appears evident given the available physical evidence. As a result, point number 3 seems like a reasonable conclusion. This argument doesn't necessarily prove that the Bible is true, or that the universe's cause is God as described in the Bible. However, it does indicate that the universe has a cause. If we accept this as true, some basic characteristics are clear. First, uncaused. The cause of the universe must not have a cause itself. This aligns with the biblical concept of God as the uncaused cause of all things. Second, supernatural. Since the natural world was created, its cause must be beyond the natural world. This is what philosophers refer to as supernatural. Third, personal. The cause must have made a decision to create, and decisions are made by beings with minds. This fits the understanding of God as a personal being. Fourth, timeless. Since time was created with the universe, the cause must exist outside of it, consistent with the biblical portrayal of God as timeless. Fifth, immaterial. Since all matter was created, the cause must be spirit, aligning with the biblical view of God as spirit. Sixth, powerful. The effect cannot be greater than the cause. The cause must be far more powerful than the universe itself, fitting the view of God's immense power. Finally, no beginning. The primary cause must be eternal. Being timeless, it is naturally understood to be eternal, aligning with God's eternal nature. In conclusion, the Kalam argument presents a compelling case for a cause that has a striking resemblance to the attributes of God in the Bible. While it doesn't prove the specific nature of God, it points to a cause that fits the portrayal of a transcendent, all-powerful creator. Ultimately, this argument invites us to consider the possibility of a purposeful, intelligent force behind the universe's origin. This resonates deeply with the worldview that sees God as the ultimate cause of all that exists. If you found this exploration of the universe's origin meaningful, please like and subscribe for more deep dives into faith and philosophy.